everybody, I'm really excited today. I'm moving houses and I really want to make some pieces for my new home myself. So I've come to the Boreali studio and I'm going to be working with the Hacksons team to create some pieces. They're going to be things that I have made and they're going to be things that have a story behind them. So I'm starting with making a mini pot planter type situation. I'm mixing this up, looking kind of tasty, huh? And the trick here that I've heard everybody, all my expert friends that work with Jess and I tell me, is that you have to make it a homogeneous or is that how you pronounce it? Homogeneous mixture. So I'm going to mix it as thoroughly, scraping down the sides. For this particular project, I'm going to be using some muted shades of pink, some muted shades of some muted shades of green, maybe some muted shades of cream, and it should look like Shrikhand. That's when you know you're done. Wait, green chal. So I want this color to be off-white, not white. When the white has a few warm undertones, so I'm trying to put yellow, but the tricky thing is I have to put very little. Very little. So I'm starting pouring. Okay, this is a little stressful. Kitna डालूं? Putting a little bit of red because I want a really light pink. Mix. I'm getting stressed to pour it. Okay, I've poured the jasmonite into this mold and I love the color. And now what I'm doing, just to make sure it maintains its perfect shape, I'm clipping on these plastic holders. Now let's move on to the next project. We're going to be making coasters while this dries. So I want to make two solid colored coasters. One in this baby pink color and one in a baby green, a sage green, pista green light. So now let me start with the green. Ooh, I love it. I love it. Ooh, I love this color. It's my favorite. Mint green. It's giving mint ice cream up in the air and down on the ground. Yeah, this was the color I was going for. Okay guys, I've poured into 3 of my projects for now. 2 coasters, one of which is a really pale green, like a pista mint green kind of color. And this one is a really pale pink. Then I have a cream dhakkan and a slightly darker pink pot, planter, whatever you want to call it. And I'm super excited to demold it and see how it's turned out. But I'm already loving all the colors and I'm excited to get on to the next one. Okay, I'm really excited because my pieces are ready to demold. So I'm going to demold this one. Pink. And now I love it. And these are going to be coasters. Okay, देखो. See how cool they look. I love it. Now this is the first thing that we have put. This is the dhakkan. I'm demolding this. Obsessed. And now this will be also ready. पक्का? I'll ऐसे उल्टा कर दूँ. ऐसे ना? As if I'm taking off. It won't break, na?
No.
Okay. Like this, correct? No?
Yeah, perfect.
I'm obsessed. So these are my first pieces. Now I'm ready to move on to the next one. Ready to make the soap dish, and the color for this is again the mint green. So I'm going to add a good deal of white, and then I'm going to add very little green. And the trick is to put as little as possible because these colors are super pigmented. Stir, 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 stir. So the next colors for my coaster are yellow, but a really pastel yellow, and a really like a baby powdery blue. And pour it. Now we're ready to move to the last one, which is a upside down version of this. So we're going to try to make a pink dhakkan and a cream this thing. Superb. Okay, I'm finally, all the stuff is cool to touch and is ready to demold. It was super quick. I think we took a 20-minute break and now we're ready to demold. So I think let's start with this yellow because I'm loving this pale yellow. It's ready. Ooh, it's looking too good. Look, my coasters. Good, na? And this is the blue one. So there are 4 basic colors. And then let's do the soap dish. This is the biggest soap dish ever, I think. I don't think I have so much soap. Dan, 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 dan. Oh, I love it. Just too good. I have outdone myself. And now the one that I'm most excited about. This is the dhakkan. And we've done the upside down version of this. So done. And now this one. For this I'm going to first remove this plastic. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, I'm done. If you guys would like to see the products, please subscribe to the Bodhi Ali YouTube channel. Let me know which product you like the best. To recap, we did 4 pastel coasters in yellow, pink, green and blue. And then we did a soap dish, a massive soap dish in which 7 soaps can fit, I think. And 2 of these tiny planter pots, etc. Now to finish it off, I think we're going to put some sealant, but more or less we're done and these products are ready to use. Thanks for watching.